Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And currently we're working on this look, and I hope you guys gain as much as you can from this video. First, we are going to be underpainting. If you guys don't know what it is, don't worry, I'm going to have a link down in the description box. Go click it and you're going to learn all you need to learn about underpainting. Next, we're adding on our foundation, and I'm using my classic liquid foundation as you saw, and now we're just going to dab that into the skin. Now I'm going to be going in with my Pro Concealer, and now we are trying to set our eyeshadow. I'm not going to do anything drastic on our eyeshadow because what we're focusing on is the wing cut crease. So we're just going to set our eyeshadow so there will be no creasing. And I'm using my Pro Concealer palette, and I'm using that to just like go through it. Now I'm setting it in, dabbing it with your beauty sponge, and we're good to go. I always say this in all my makeup tutorials: whatever you do to your face, make sure you do it to your neck. You don't want to have your makeup mismatched, looking so mismatched. Now I'm just going to be setting my whole face because that was the biggest canvas we needed to work with, the face. So I'm setting that in, setting it with my powder, and yeah. Now we're moving on to the eye look. You guys should watch carefully. I try to be as detailed as I could in this video, so please learn, practice. Practice makes perfect. It's not just one day that you use to like learn how to position your hand or get that neat cut. It's not one day, so you just have to keep practicing and practicing, and then you get better at it.